Jesus!
ピストル？
多分ね。ここはアメリカだ。
What was that? A gunshot? Maybe a 38.
Yeah, but that sounded like a gunshot.
Check it out.
Want to go check it out now?
Yeah, check it out right now.